Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present the summary and important question answer of the story The House Call. The House Call, Arlotte Jansen. Story. Character: Dr. Emil Braun, a German surgeon. Mrs. Braun, doctor's wife. Elda, child's mother. Little girl, Adelheid or Het. Time: 1903, 9:30 p.m. at Christmas. Place: Berlin. Disease: pneumonia, flu, influenza. Things: shabby shoes and shawl. A story from Germany. Summary. In 1903, Dr. Emil Braun, a German surgeon, was rested at home after 8 hours long surgical work. सन् 1903 तिरको कुरा हो। डाक्टर इमिल ब्राउन जो जर्मन सर्जन हुन्छन् उनी 8 घण्टा लामो सर्जिकल वर्क सकाएर आफ्नो घरमा खाना खाँदै आराम गरिरहेका हुन्छन्। He was trying to write notes while he was attempting to have his dinner. र आफ्नो खाना खाँदै गर्दाखेरि दिनभरिको कामको नोट पनि उनले लेखिरहेको हुन्छन्। But he dozed off because of tiredness. थकाइको कारणले गर्दा उनी सुक्कै निदाइहाल्छन्। Then he heard a doorbell which was by a girl. त्यसपछि एउटा सानो केटीले ढोकाको घन्टी बजाएको घन्टी उनले सुन्छन्। The girl requested the doctor to go and examine her sick mother. त्यो सानो केटीले डाक्टर आफूसँग गएर आफ्नो आमालाई चेक गरिदिनको लागि अनुरोध गरिरहेकी हुन्छन्। The doctor's wife didn't want him to go at night. डाक्टरको श्रीमतीले रातिमा आफ्नो श्रीमान जाओस् भन्ने चाहदिनन्। But the girl's request melted the doctor's heart. तर ती केटीको अनुरोधले डाक्टरको मन पग्लिन्छ। And he got ready to go with the girl. त्यसपछि त्यो केटीसँगै जानेको लागि डाक्टर तयार हुन्छन्। The doctor followed the girl at a drizzling dark night. सिमसिम पानी परिरहेको रातिमा डाक्टरले त्यो केटीको पछि लागेर जान्छन्। He tried his best to catch up the girl. त्यो केटीलाई भेटाउन उनले हरसक्दो प्रयास गर्छन्। But he couldn't do so because as faster he walked, so faster walked the girl. तर उनले त्यो सानी केटीलाई भेटाउन सक्दैनन्। जति छिटो डाक्टर हिँड्ने हुन्छ त्यति छिटो नै त्यो केटी पनि हिँड्दिन्छन्। As a result, the gap between them remained the same. परिणामस्वरूप तिनीहरू दुईको बीचको दूरी समान रहिरहन्छ। Finally, the little girl took the doctor to an old tenement house. अन्तमा त्यो सानी केटीले डाक्टरलाई एउटा भाडामा बस्ने घरमा लैजान्छन्। And she started climbing up the stairs. र त्यसपछि उनी त्यो घरको सिडी चढ्न सुरु गर्छिन्। This time also the doctor tried to catch her up but he couldn't. यसबाट सिडी चढ्ने बेलामा पनि डाक्टरले त्यो सानी केटीलाई भेटाउन कोसिस गर्छन् तर सक्दैनन्। As they reached the 5th floor, the girl showed the doctor where her mother was. 5औं तल्लामा पुगेपछि त्यो सानी केटीले आफ्नो आमा कहाँ छन् भनेर देखाउँछिन् ढोकाबाट। The doctor entered the room and the door closed. डाक्टर त्यो कोठाभित्र छिरेपछि ढोका बन्द हुन्छ। In the room, the doctor saw a woman. त्यो कोठामा डाक्टरले एउटा महिलालाई देख्छन्। She was his maintenance staff. उनी उनकै हस्पिटलमा मर्म सम्भारको काम गर्ने महिला हुन्छन्। She was suffering from pneumonia. उनी निमोनियाबाट ग्रसित हुन्छन्। and he gave her some medicine. र डाक्टरले उनलाई केही औषधि दिन्छन्. The doctor praised the little girl's obedience. डाक्टरले चाहिँ त्यो सानो केटी कति आज्ञाकारी रहेछ भनेर प्रशंसा गर्छन्. But her single daughter had died 3 months ago. तर ती आइमाईको एउटा मात्रै छोरी 3 महिना अगाडि नै बितिसकेकी हुन्छन्. The doctor surprised knowing the fact. डाक्टरले वास्तविकता थाहा पाएपछि एकदमै अचम्भित हुन्छन्. She said that after her death, she was all alone in the country. उनको मृत्यु पश्चात उनी गाउँमा एक्लो हुन्छन्. So she came back to town. त्यही भएर उनी सहर फर्केको हुन्छन्. She had kept her shoes and shawl as reminders. आफ्नो छोरीको सम्झनामा उनले उनको जुत्ता र एउटा सल राखेकी हुन्छन्. The doctor found that the shoes and shawl were same. र त्यो सानो केटीले लगाएको जुत्ता र ओडेको सल ठ्याक्कै त्यो राखेकै जस्तो हुन्छ. Which the girl had wore, जुन चाहिँ केटीले लगाएकी हुन्छन्. They were wet and damp. र त्यो जुत्ता र सल चाहिँ ओसिला हुन्छन्. The doctor went to her to talk. जुत्ता र सल ओसिलो भेटाएपछि डाक्टरले उनीसँग कुरा गर्नको लागि फर्किन्छन्. But she fell asleep. तर उनी त्यति बेरसम्म निदाइसकेकी हुन्छन्. And the doctor returned home after touching her favorite's head once more. र त्यसपछि डाक्टरले उनको निधार एकचोटि छामेपछि आफ्नो घर फर्किन्छन्. Short questions. What did Dr. Brown discover when he went with the girl who comes to his house? Dr. Brown went with the girl who came to his house. He discovered that the girl's mother, who was seriously sick and she was lying on the bed, was once a maintenance staff. The little girl was a dead people. Her shoes and shawl were wet and damp. He discovered that the girl used the shoes and shawl too. Then he, a little frightened knowing the truth. Why did the doctor have a look of surprise in his face when Elda told him that her little daughter died in September? Her little daughter had gone to the doctor for the house call for the treatment of her mother. She has a single child who died in September at the age of 7. She told him that she had kept her shoes and shawl in her memory. How had the little girl gone to call him if she were dead? In such condition, any person would be surprised. That's the reason the doctor had a look of surprise on his face. Why did the little girl come to the doctor's house? The little girl went to the doctor's home to call the doctor for her mother's treatment. It does not matter what she is. Her mother was so sick that she couldn't go to the doctor's clinic by herself. That's why she wished someone would help her. Because she was alone, nobody is there to help her. So the little girl went to the doctor's house. If the doctor was tired to eat or write, why was he not tired to go to see the sick woman? Of course, he was so tired, that's why he couldn't eat and write properly. But when he heard the little girl's voice and knows her mother was so sick that she was going to die soon, and it was doctor's duty to go and help his patients when there was a house call, but he believed that He would do whatever God put in front of him. That's why he could not stop himself, and he went to the girl. Why do you think the little girl walked ahead of the doctor instead of walking with him? We know that she is a spirit, only not a live person. She knows that doctor will know the fact if she walks and talks with him. So she doesn't want to expose her secret to the doctor. And the next reason, maybe she doesn't want to delay to treat her mother because her mother is so serious. So she wants to go fast. If she walks with talking to the doctor, they will reach there later because it makes walking slow. So she wants to reach there fast and secretly as possible as she can. Thank you for joining with me in this video lesson, and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lessons continuously, and keep suggesting us. See you soon.